I was grateful. I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. The boy was so delighted and experienced that he had achieved something good, means he started writing. It was quite pleasant working for Anil. I made the tea in the morning and then would take my time buying the day's supplies, usually making a profit of about a rupees a day. I think he knew I made a little money this way, but he did not seem to mind. The boy felt pleasant to work for Anil. He made tea for Anil and spent his time to buy some things from the market which need for cooking, eating, etc. But he never gave up his habit, which that is a stealing things. What was he doing? Whenever Anil gave money to buy some things, he usually keep 1 rupees every day. Anil was aware of this, but he never said anything. Anil made money by fits and starts. He would borrow 1 week, lend the next. He kept worrying about his next check, but as soon as it arrived, he would go out and celebrate. It seems he wrote for magazines, a queer way to make a living. By fits and start means in short irregular intervals. Anil didn't have any that regular income source. He could earn money only sometimes. And what was he doing? He was borrowing money from someone in a 1 week and lend the money in next week. He was always in worry about his next checks, means when will he get the money. But whenever he get the money, he spent all the money to go outside and for celebration. He was earning the money by writing in magazines. This was a stranger for the boy because Anil had not any fixed salary. Queer means strange. One evening, he came home with a small bundle of notes, saying he had just sold a book to a publisher. At night, I saw him tuck the money under the mattress. Tuck means to put something in a safe place. At that one evening, Anil brought a bundle of notes by selling a book to the publisher, and he kept that book where under the he kept that money under the mattress. I had been working for Anil for almost a month, and apart from cheating on the shopping, had not done anything in my line of work. Line of work means what? A principal activity in your life that you do to earn a money. And what was his principal activity? To thief. I had every opportunity for doing so. Anil had given me a key to the door, and I could come and go as I pleased. He was the most trusting person I had ever met. 1 month passed, the boy was still working for Anil, and he had done anything in his line of he had not done anything in his line of work. He had not only taking 1 rupees a day. He had not done anything but only cheating on shopping, means only taking 1 rupees a day. He had every opportunity for stealing because Anil gave him the key of his house. He could easily come and go, and Anil was only person in his life that who most trust him. And that is why it was so difficult to rob him. It's easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed. But it's difficult to rob a careless man. Sometimes he doesn't even notice he has been robbed, and that takes all the pleasure out of the work. Anil was trusting him a lot, and that's why the boy felt difficult to rob him. He thinks that it is easy to rob greedy man because the greedy person has a greed. If someone robbed him, he became angry, and the thief enjoyed it. And it also difficult to rob a careless man because he do not have care about anything. And when someone rob the careless person, and he never notice about the things whatever robbed, and this not give delight to the robber. Well, it's time I did some real work. I told myself. I am out of practice, and if I don't take the money, he will only waste in on his friends. After all, he doesn't even pay me. The boy thought that it was a real time to do his work, means to steal the money. And he did not take the money. Anil will spend all the money on his friends. And the boy told to himself also that Anil will not pay for him. Anil was asleep. A beam of moonlight stepped over the balcony and fell on the bed. I sat up on the floor, considering the situation. If I took the money, I could catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow. That night, Anil was asleep and the boy was lying on the bed in the balcony. That time, the beam of moonlight stepped over the balcony and he was thinking about the situation. He considered that if he took the money, he could catch the train at 10:30 which goes to Lucknow and he may run away easily. I crept up to sleeping out of the blanket. I crept up to the bed. Anil was sleeping peacefully. His face was clear and unlined. Even I had more mark on my face, though mine were mostly scars. Crept out means to crawl, and unlined means showing no sign of worry or anxiety, and scars means mark. The boy crawled to the Anil. Anil was sleeping silently. There was no any sign of worry on his face, and the boy is feeling that there was so much tension on his own face. My hand slid under the mattress, searching for the notes. When I found them, I drew them out without a sound. Anil sighed in his sleep and turned on his side towards me. I was startled and quickly crawled out of the room. The boy took out the money without making any sound, and that time Anil turned his side and his face was towards the boy. The boy, shocked and afraid, and again crawled and went out from the room for runaway. When I was on the road, I began to run. I had the notes at my waist, held there by the string of my pajamas. I slowed down to the walk and counted the notes, 600 rupees in 50s. I could live like an oil rich Arab for a week or two. After coming on the road, the boy began to run and he kept all notes at his waist by the string of pyjamas. When he went far from the room, he slowed down and started walking, and then he counted the notes, and it was 600 rupees in 50s, means that was the 12 notes of 50s, and he had got 600 rupees. He felt that he was a oil rich Arab.